Hi everyone, today is March 27th. Remember I said that we want to have kittens for one of my New Year resolution. We are doing it, but first of all we need to clean this apartment a little bit for more space for the kitten to run around. Also we looked at some shelters for kittens. I think they're mostly in pairs. You have to adopt like 2 together, so it's very likely that we're gonna get 2 kittens. Very likely. We want to get kittens before our anniversary. It's like our anniversary gift for each other, so yeah, we don't have much time left, so we gotta get this going. Ruru, are you excited for 2 kittens? Are you excited? Happy? Are you happy? Or you're annoyed, or you just don't give a Okay, so now this area, we bought a new furniture to have like some storage space here, so I'm gonna throw this away. And a lot of things here. Also, just clean up everywhere. Clean up our storage space in the kitchen as well, because it's not very organized. And I have this bad habit of just keeping everything. I need to, throw away a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna work on that today. Good luck to myself.
It's a draft. Yeah. All my friends pulled up for good vibes. We know that the goodbyes could mean gone too soon. We ain't tryna live forever.
A lot of garbage. We bought this, but we didn't measure it right, so we don't throw away any garbage. This is after. Pretty clean, right? Very organized. But these.
I wanna love all I can on you. No one really knows when it's all said and done. But when our time winds up, I bet it all on us. All my friends pulled up for good vibes. We know that the goodbyes could mean gone too soon. We ain't tryna live forever.
Finished. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Now Ruru can really scratch our tables now.
Well, she already scratched a lot of that.
Ta-da! Poor Ruru. Look at her hand.
Was it on like that?
Good job.
No, it's okay. We love you very much.
Eat something.
Hey,
It's okay. It's okay. Oh my gosh, she must be. I know you're mad at us, but we did this for you. Okay? Go now. Okay? Oh no, 1 second. 1 second. You can't go from here. Go from below. Okay. Figure it yourself. Okay. Run! Oh my god! Look at it. Run, come here. Come to me. Run! You look so much skinnier. Run! Come here. Let me warm you up. Oh my gosh, you look so skinny. Run, come to me. Run.
Also, I'm surprised you got out of it.
Come here. Let me dry you up. Come here. No.
Last time she dried her own self when I did it. You want it for her?
No, she doesn't really. Come here. dry you a little bit. Whoa! She jumped! Nice. Yes. Yeah. Today, we're doing a cleanup. The reason why is all because I spilled my coffee on the couch and then we had to wash the couch and then we decided to do our overdue laundry. And I have a lot of clothes, which for the past 5-6 years I lived in New York. I've been saving this, even though for some of the clothes I never wear them. Okay, time to get our laundry. And I'm trying out the clothes that I put in the luggage, which I never wear. And I found a pair of jeans. I was like, this jeans, you know, it works. Why am I not wearing it? And then I realized the zipper is not working anymore. So I'm gonna, and this is my Color Run t-shirt. All right, I'm gonna take a time lapse, like right here. This dress, I never wear it because of my fat belly, but I think I can just cut it here, make it like a crop top. Yes, let me cut it later and I'll have a crop top. Okay, let's continue the journey. Okay, I have filtered again. This time I have this many clothes to donate, so good job. And now I'm gonna organize everything and put away winter clothes and put summer clothes out. Yeah, good job! Ooh, ooh.